Micro excavator. Poco Poku Poco.
Chapter 5. The Poco Poku Poco Spring Construction Equipment Relay Race. And they're off! The first runners are Poco Poku and Poku Poco. Who is faster? Up second are the wheel loaders. They receive the batons in their buckets. The batons are bouncing and rolling about in their buckets. The third runners are the articulated dump trucks. Their vessels are loaded with dirt and a baton. This will keep the baton from rolling around. They're mighty, so they still run fast even when carrying a big load of dirt. They can also twist and turn their bodies and power their way through muddy roads. They raise their vessels and unload the dirt and batons off their back. The fourth runners are the hydraulic excavators equipped with magnets. Using their magnets, they pick up only the baton from the piles of dirt. The bulldozers plow the leftover dirt and make the ground flat. They are two powerful crawler tag teams. The magnet-equipped hydraulic excavators place the batons into the crates. The crates are lifted and taken away by the fifth runners, the forklifts. They change directions using their rear tires and swiftly navigate through even the tightest of spaces. The forklifts raise their forks high up into the air and place the crates onto the platforms. Waiting for them are Poco Poku and Poku Poco, and rockets. Poco Poku and Poku Poco take the batons from the crates and load them into the rockets. Three, 2, 1, 0. The rockets land on the moon! And who picked up the batons? Running in the anchor positions are the lunar hydraulic excavators. It's a close one. Who is going to win? The end.